Okay, let's go.
We're still not fixed. Not a year, is it?
Winter time they took it out. She can do gymnastics. Hi. Oh my gosh. Ay mga bebs. Maganda yung araw ngayon kaya lumabas yung mga tao. Pero may ano pa rin, may ginaw pa rin kumbaga. Yung si Ella. Matagal-tagal tayong hindi nakapag-vlog, 'di ba? Ayan. Kasi nga hindi naman kami lumalayas talaga ng ano. Gusto ko sana abroad. Char! Abroad talaga. Sana this year makapag-abroad. Yung si Ella. I'll take a picture over there.
Are you vlogging?
Yes.
You haven't vlogged in ages.
Yes. So I'm doing it now. Because at least we're outside. Not indoor. Go over there. I'll take a picture of you. Ang dali lang. Picturean ko lang siya. Wait lang. Parang malabo yung ano ko yung aking ano no. Malabo siya ng mga webs. Sandali. Nasa natin. Tingnan nasa ayan. Ayan. Nasa na? Ito yung ano garden Catering lang to. Malapit lang to. Nagbus lang kami kasi nga wala yung kotse. Nasa garahe yung kotse ni tatay. You just had food, baby, ha?
I wanted to do one, but I can't do it very well right now because it's like on a slope. I can do a half up, half down really quickly.
Cool.
And then I can just put a bow in.
Yeah. Ayan. Nakasakay na kami dyan dati. Ayun Nakasakay na kami ni Ella. Kasama namin si Mami Jessica. Si Lexi. There is, yeah.
You said that it was there last.
No, there, when we were eating.
There was some near.
Laki, no?
Let's see
Catering.
if I can do one.
Ayun yung train, no? Nakasakay na kami dyan. Yan, iikot lang yan. Yeah, iikot lang yan dito. Ganyan lang, ikot-ikot lang yan. Pag ganun. Pag ganun. Ganun. And then, turn. Nagkubad na si Kulokay kasi, ano na, nainitan na siya. Perfect daw, sabi niya.
Oh, it's marking.
Is it? May mga ganyan-ganyan sila. You okay?
Yeah, where am I?
Naririnig niyo? May kwento. Ayun yung kwento dito sa may railway. Ala, may goose dun Kita nyo?
I'm scared. I
Ayun.
don't like geese.
Yeah, they will running thingy you. Laki, diba?
I'm probably faster than a geese.
Ayan. Lakad-lakad tayo mga bebs. Oh, may dami ganda babae.
Look at their necks. they're just like small ostriches. They're just
They are,
small
yeah.
ostriches. They'll
Yeah.
still run.
Yeah, yeah.
You see that lobster?
Ayan, ito pa. Part pa to ng park.
They're basically just
Mm.
tiny. Yeah, because it's filled with dirty water.
Mhm. Hi.
So bright.
Kalimutan ko yung DJI ko.
Duck!
Ayan, oh. Kita nyo ba?
Duckies!
Ayan yung mga duck at saka ano, ayan, oh.
That one's a girl duck.
Ayan,
The brown one.
ayan.
That's a swan.
Oh, may mga boating din doon, tsaka kayak. Ayun yung kayak ko. Ayun, kayak. Come here!
We don't have any food. It probably thinks we have food.
Yeah. Ayun, swan. Ayan, kita niyo yung swan? Ayan ang
That was a
swan.
goose. That's a swan.
Yes, swan. Ayan ang swan.
I like swans. I just don't like geese. Can they go under here?
Ha?
Do they go under here?
Yeah, look.
No.
Look.
Why not? But how?
They go under.
Can get under it.
Oh no, I thought they can.
There's no rides going on.
Never been on. No, never been on, no.
Can see you're busy.
Sorry.
That's all right. If you get quiet, so later on.
Pwede pala siyang i-try out. Ayan, na-try ni Ella.
Go backwards and then you steer it. Like a steering wheel. So just go gently and steer it with that. That's it.
Ayan.
There you go.
Ella. Ginagawa na Ella. You okay? Whoa. You're driving it.
There's a sticker for her. I'll let you put it on.
Thank you. Oh, that's cool.
That's it. You haven't got anybody else to argue with at the minute. So bang. You go backwards a little bit now.
Backwards. Oops.
Push the lever forward. That's it. It should go. Yeah, there we go. We're going backwards. Turn it the other way. You're back again.
I'm back again.
Okay. Ay, may mga dog ano dun, oh. May mga nangyayari pala ngayon, oh. Ayun na naman siya. Kita na naman siya. Ang si tatay.
It's just really blurry. Really blurry.
Ah. May water park dun.
I want to do that.
Water shoot. Water shoot.
I want to do that.
By yourself.
No. I have a change of clothes. If they get wet.
You got shorts. I mean,
Leggings.
yeah.
And then I also have my other jumper.
Yeah. But Ella, you need to pay for that. You need to go over there to walk. Nakalagay doon 100. Di ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin ng 100. 100 years na ano. railway ng train nila. Ayan. Araw. Maginaw, pero hindi naman hindi ganun ka. Ano yun? Kikiligin ka lang sa ginaw. Hindi ka magmumura sa ginaw. Kikiligin ka sa ginaw. Tama ba yun? Naka-short nga yan eh. Ako din oh. Ano yun sa tatay?
The geese kind of like me.
Your dad got stuck. Na-stuck siya sa toilet. Sabi ko, sinong kausap ni Ella? And then Ella says, what? Dad is what? Stuck in toilet. Yung door ayaw mag-open. Sinipa ako. I kick it under. Ayun na yung walk dito rin oh. Ella, we haven't gone this bit yet. How's the experience, babe?
Times, haven't we?
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't.
Not even with your father's pieces. You should do this with your father's pieces.
Yeah. I'll tell them tomorrow.
And then come here and then you can do this bit.
Yeah.
Or
We'll walk around.
oh, if they have the boats, they can do the boat.
Yeah, if it's still there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should have asked if they're
Ayan na.
Go to the train.
Wave, Ella. Wave. Ayan, dalawa.
There's so much when you're in the weeds.
Oh, ang ganda oh. May ganito pa sila oh. It's nice. Ooh, ayun oh.
But it's very dirty.
Ayun sila oh. Nakapila dun oh. Kikita nyo ba?
Green.
Nakapila sila dun.
Oh, green.
Yung mga duck. Ang kulay ng duck dito maitim. Hindi katulad dyan sa atin sa
And it's not
Pilipinas
even a
puti.
nice green. It's not even a nice green either.
Ayan. Ayun mga nag-aano fishing. Kita nyo yung mga nagfi-fishing.
Bad green.
Nagfi-fishing sila. Pero yung mga nagfi-fish nila, they need to put it back. Hala, 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 hala. Mahulog ka, boy. That was scary, babe. Nagfi-fishing sila, oh. Haba na nung naano namin, oh. Doon. Yan ang walk dito. Camp. See, babe, it says their campsite. Yeah. Ayan. So, may campsite doon. Can we go there? May roller coaster daw. Oh! Diyan kami nagpunta ni Elay. Nagpunta na niya. Kasama namin sila Jessica. Ganda nung ano.
What's actually doing out there? Because I'm looking around what people are doing.
Walk lang kami. Walang magawa eh. What are we doing?
The dog's on it. The dog's on it too.
Nagpa-akit siya din kay tatay niya. Ito yung boating lake na sinasabi kanina nung matanda. Laki oh, tingnan nyo. Diba? Ang laki nga mga beds. Dito medyo malinis-linis. Ganda dito. Yun yung daki-daki. Hi, daki-daki. Hello. Huwag mo talaga akong habulin, bebe, ha? Huwag mo habulin, ha? Ang laki, oh. So, sinong gusto ng adobong geese pala to? Kala ko duck. Yo, yung malalaki na. Ewan ko kung geese yan o duck yan, mga bebs. Daming etat. Ano ba yun? Ang daming etat. Yan sila. Deep water. Ang dami. Oh, ang dami nila, oh. Kita nyo ba? Sinong gusto ng adobo? Sinong gusto adobo? Ayun na yung dalawa. Napa-clear up space ako kay tatay. Kasi wala na akong mabidyo. Mavideohan. Ayun, ang dami nila. Parang ano nila. Ito yung laying ground nila, kumbaga. Oh. Ang dami nila, oh. Ayan, a bit of more walk. Yan, tapos siguro punta kami ng town. Tapos uwian na. Ganon. Siguro ganon. Yan. Hindi nyo nakita, no?